Recently, a lot of people have been asking me if I know any AI tools or platforms that can help them turn ideas into concepts really quickly. And I recently discovered UIzard. I'm not quite sure how it's pronounced. I'm going UIzard maybe, I don't know. But in any case, this platform is pretty good at doing just that. So we're going to dive right into this here. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So as you can see here, we're presented with this nice clean interface. I'm going to type in a simple prompt like a website that makes learning about AI agents easy and simple to do. The interface should be appealing and approachable. Let's say use hues of purple and blue. They tend to be the AI colors. And then I'm going to click generate. Okay, cool. So after clicking generate, I was taken to this screen. I'm going to go into auto designer. Let's go for desktop. And yeah, I'm just going to click continue here. Let's go with prompt. So let's go with modern, artsy, techie, and formal. Nice. Then let's go with this. Surrounded with shadows and without borders. Okay, cool. Sweet, okay, cool. So we've immediately got a few sort of mock-ups that are being generated here. This reminds me quite a lot. This reminds me of Figma, which is also a really good tool for prototyping UIs and wireframes. Sweet, okay, cool. So as you can see, this is pretty wild. Cool, we got some interesting stuff already. Understanding AI agents, that's a cool graphic. So it's even creating graphics for us as well. And it separated it into interactive prototypes and additional design proposals, which is quite useful. I'm just going to wait for these to load up. But yeah, as you can see, it's very similar to Figma, and we can essentially just start brainstorming, ideating, and conceptualizing how we want to present any particular digital platform to an audience. Wow, okay, this is really cool. Dang, this would have taken hours. This would have honestly taken hours. Okay, cool. So here's the landing page. Sweet. Let's go in here. As you can see, I can actually move elements around, which is really useful. Wow, this is really powerful. We've got the pricing down here. We've got search page. Okay, cool. So to access this, you need to upgrade your plan. Okay, that's quite interesting. Let's see what the plan options are. Okay, cool. So it's $12 a month. Right, okay, well, you could actually still use this because you can sort of see it through the transparent layer. You could copy and paste a screenshot of this, put it into another large language model, potentially Gemini or any other ones that allow you to create mock-up wireframes based off of images. And yeah, you could go from there. We've got a product details page, got this about section. Or if you think this is actually going to be really useful to your personal or professional life, then yeah, you could actually just, pay for this product. $12 a month isn't, the most expensive thing. But I'm not being paid to say that. I just think this is a really great way to save time for anyone who needs to ideate on concepts, apps, and designs. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.